A survey of 100 adults found that their average commute time was 35 minutes. If the commute times are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 10 minutes, what's the 95% confidence interval for the true average commute time of all adults? Welcome to Statistics Basics. In this video, we'll use the survey data on commute times to construct a 95% confidence interval, which is a range of values within which we can be 95% confident that the true average commute time for the entire population lies. A confidence interval is calculated as the point estimate plus or minus the margin of error, where point estimate is the sample statistic and the margin of error is the product of the critical value and the standard error of the statistic. In this case, the point estimate of the population mean commute time is the sample mean commute time, calculated as the average of the sample data, which is 35 minutes. Since we know the population standard deviation, we'll use the z-score from the z-table to calculate the standard error of the sample mean. For a 95% confidence interval, the z-critical value is 1.96, which is obtained by locating 0.9750 in the z-distribution table. The standard error of the sample mean is calculated as 10 divided by square root of the 100, which is 1. And the margin of error is 1.96 times 1 equals to 1.96. By putting these values into the confidence interval formula, we find that the lower and upper limits are 33.04 and 36.96 minutes, respectively. This means we're 95% confident that the true average commute time for all adults falls between 33.04 and 36.96 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more statistics tutorials.